In this video, I'll show you how to download and install DirectX 12 manually on your Windows computer. Start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type DirectX Web Installer and press Enter. Look for the official Microsoft link. It should be titled DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer and be from Microsoft.com. Click on that link. Once you're on the page, scroll down and click the download button. The installer file will begin downloading and appear in your downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open the installer. A setup window will appear. Click Yes if prompted, then agree to the terms and conditions and press Next. On the next screen, uncheck the box that says Install the Bing bar, then click Next again. Now, wait a few moments while the installer downloads and installs the required DirectX components onto your system. When it's finished, click Finish to close the window. To verify that DirectX 12 is now installed, open your Start menu, search for Run, and open the Run app in the box. Type DXDIAG and press Enter. Click Yes if prompted. In the DirectX diagnostic tool, look near the bottom of the System Information section. You'll see your current DirectX version listed there. If it now shows DirectX 12, the installation was successful. And that's it. You've successfully installed DirectX 12 manually on your Windows PC.